Now we take up permutation and combinations under certain restrictions. Number 1. Number of combinations of n things taken r at a time when s particular things are always included is equal to n minus s c r minus s. This is because we have to select only r minus s because s are already included, selected, out of the remaining n minus s, which can be done in n minus s, c, r minus s ways. Second, the number of permutations of n things taken r at a time when s particular things are always included is equal to n minus s c r minus s into r factorial. This is because number of combinations of r things under this restriction is n minus s c r minus s, and correspondingly the permutations will be n minus s c r minus s into r factorial, applying product rule. Note that n minus s c r minus s into r factorial is also equal to rps into n minus s p r minus s. Third, the number of combinations of n things taken r at a time when s particular things are always excluded is equal to n minus s cr. This is because we have to select r things out of n minus s only. Fourth, the number of permutations of n things taken r at a time when s particular things are always excluded is equal to n minus s cr into r factorial, which can also be written as n minus s pr. The next result is nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus so on up to ncn is equal to 2 raised to power n. Because 1 plus x raised to power n we know by binomial theorem is equal to nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x squared plus so on up to x raised to ncn x raised to power n. Put x equal to 1. We get the result as 2 raised to power n equal to nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus so on up to ncn. If some or all of n things are taken at a time, then the total number of combinations will be nc1 plus nc2 plus so on up to ncn, which can be equal to 2 raised to power n minus 1, using the above result which we had discussed in 5. The number of ways of selecting r things where r is smaller than n out of n identical things is 1. Note that there are all identical things, so no distinction is made between one selection or the other selection.